Okay, today we're going to take a look at a really nice little Zippo, but first somebody sent me this for the backboard, and you should recognize that. That's pretty funny. So let's take a look at this Zippo. Now this one came with the protective sleeve, and it says Anchor Design. I like these sleeves. It protects the normal Zippo black box, and it also says Anchor Design above the barcode. It's a genuine Zippo, made in the USA, in Bradford, PA. Let's take a look at this Anchor Design. So this one is on a high polish black ice finish. Really good at collecting fingerprints. But it's a mirror finish. And it's a really nice anchor design. Got a really nice sound. The steel insert lights up nice. Let's do a drop test. On this anchor. Okay, there's one in a million. It stood on its end. It's one of the better drop tests we've had. So there is the Anchor Design passing the drop test with flying colors. Definitely deserves a little cowbell. And a little more cowbell. Knuckle bump.